Okay, so when you first come in, I showed you guys these last time. These are called onion grass. I didn't know they had a whole name for them, okay? These are so cute with the butterflies. Really, really fancy, pantsy-mancy. I absolutely love this. Honey, don't chase the butterflies. Have a garden where so you attract the butterflies. You get what I'm saying? They also have this floral over here with the colors. Really, really fancy, pantsy, mancy. Honey, it's always the colors for me. Okay? Look at this. This is cute. Styling and definitely profiling up in here. Okay? Ooh, these are nice. I like these. Ooh, these are really cute too. Honey, all of them cute. $1.25. Did you see these tumblers with the straws? Oh, did you see this? Did you see this? Chill. You want to get into it and do it? Linda, I got some treats that's going to have you move your feet. Okay, child, so Dollar Tree has the liquid highlighter, okay? Now, this is... Oh, that's Spanish, I guess, at the bottom, from Color Story. Now, liquid highlighter, it looked like they had 4 different colors. Chill. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. When I see the red 40 and yellow 80, honey, I try my best to stay away from that. But, child, the packaging is cute. This is $1.25. Now, I know you see that file because I went to the register. I asked the young lady how much was these. She said these $5. But, honey, you want to stay tuned for this one. This is definitely new, okay? Looky, cookie. This is nighttime hair serum, and I think they just put this out because, as you can see, honey, all of the pieces is in here, all right? Overnight hydration treatment for all hair types by Be Pure. Daytime repairing hair mask, smooth and softens, powered by argan oil. Argan oil is so good. This is $1.25. Dollar Tree is stepping it up for you and me. They also have the shower steamers. We've seen some of these. The shower melon, the minty fresh, and then the tropical bliss, $1.25. Don't miss this. Did you see these tumblers with the straws? Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. So they have so many colors. Look at the yellow. These are cute. Really cute. The pink. Oh, and for a treat. Okay. Honey, they also have the red. Oh, these are really nice. Honey, this just puts me in the mind of summertime. Right around the corner. I hope you ready. Oh, these are so cute. These are very nice. Alright, so we had seen the nails, LA Colors, 12 pieces for $1.25. Now in this Dollar Tree, they have the LA Colors. They also have the modern nostalgic, okay, $1.25 as well. And then more LA Color nails. These are fancy McPancy, child. I love those. $1.25. Honey, I'm giving my nails a break, okay? They also have the blue. The blue is giving me royalty. Yes. What about the Sinful Colors? Now, to be honest, I don't care for this color. When it comes to like their brown, honey, is doing something to me. This is black I like, although I wish that the little rhinestone could have been a little smaller. All right. Now Dollar Tree also had the color crazy pop on nail tips and polish. We had seen this. That comes in 2 different colors. They have like the turquoise color, and then they also have that neon pink. Dollar Tree is really getting fancy for them. And now, of course, they have the glow up toner. We had seen this, honey. This is a copycat from Sephora. Here is $1.25. So Sephora $130. Now Dollar Tree also had the sassy and chic makeup blender storage. This is $1.25. We seen these, the 4-in-1 travel bottles. Okay, these are really, really cute. So you get 4 individual bottles. I absolutely love that for $1.25. That's not bad at all. Okay, so did you guys see the lip jellies? I know I showed you the lip jellies, and it was a few that I had purchased the other day. Well, I brought one the other day, but Dollar Tree has some lip jellies, and I think I have all the colors when it comes to the lip jellies. Probably don't have the orchid, but honey, get into. When it comes to these socks is giving me fancy pantsy Nancy. Oh, they on the thin side, child. These are UFC socks, but honey, just in case if you need some socks real bad, come to Dollar Tree. These are $1.25. They have different colors. They have the blue, the black, the green, honey, and also the red. Just in case if you guys don't know, some of the prices are going up. Right, just FYI, like the bread I had told you guys is going to $1.50, and then the ramen is going to $1.75. The foil pans are going up as well, I believe $1.75. But one of the things that's good is that some prices are going to go up, and then some prices are going to go back down to $1. Okay, heard it through the grapevine, right? So honey, I think that's all we need to see here. Now, these are really, really cute. These little garbage bins. These are nice. $1.25. Honey, you can put this on your desk and put like your papers and stuff in there, your sticky notes that you don't need no more. You could definitely put in here. This is fancy, and they come in 2 different colors. I know they had these like during the beginning of the school year. But the 2 colors they have is the lime green, the neon green, and also the red. $1.25. So remember, Dollar Tree still has, some Easter goodies like the Peeps Bunny 10-inch LED candle, $5. They also have the Peeps light up 10 Peeps Bunny light strings. This is $5. The tablecloths they have, these are $3. The 10-inch bunny-shaped egg container, these are $1.25. Those are fancy. And honey, the coloring drops, okay? Doodlies. Who remember, during Easter, the day of, okay, and you would dye those eggs, and you would play egg hunt. Child, those was the good old days. $1.25. Do the kids still play egg hunt? Child, because I know we sure did, and we used to have a good old time. All right, family, so I got you good folks on the next one. This is pretty much all they had, but my favorite item was those tumblers, okay? Hands down, those tumblers was doing it, moving and grooving.